Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make tiramisu Joshua Weissman step by step. Begin by assembling all ingredients and chilling mascarpone while you pull strong espresso shots for soaking the ladyfingers. Whisk yolks with sugar until thick and ribboning, then gently incorporate mascarpone for a silky custard. Whip whites to soft peaks and fold them in carefully to keep the cream light and airy, which gives tiramisu its classic texture and mouthfeel. If you're finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support more recipes. Quick recommendation: upgrade your clean game with the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum. Voice control makes crumbs disappear while you focus on layering tiramisu, and it even learns your kitchen. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Dip each ladyfinger briefly into espresso and layer them with cream in an even pan. Repeat layers, finish with cocoa, then chill for several hours so the dessert firms and the flavors harmonize into that classic, indulgent tiramisu experience.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.